Hi guys, this is Aman and you are watching Gadget Guruji. So guys, if you are planning to buy a smartphone, a budget segment smartphone, so you were very confused, but after watching this video, you will be not confused because in today's video, I will be showing you an smartphone with a dual camera. Yeah, you heard it right, dual camera with which has 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera to capture sharp crispy images, and with a 4G VoLTE 5-inch HD display and a fingerprint sensor. So these are basic uh, specs which makes the deal much more greater. So what would be the price of that phone? So I'm revealing you the price. The price of that phone is 5,999, 5,999. You heard it right, very right. The company name is OKWoo, yeah, or OKWU Limited. It is an Indian company. Launched its first ever smartphone, which is OKWU P1, which is a great smartphone and recently launched, which comes with an dual camera, which is 8 megapixel shooter plus a 2 megapixel, along with which help you capture crispy images, and supports LED flash with it. And the phone comes with 4G LTE. Yeah, you can use Geo SIM in it very easily. 5-inch 720p display, IPS display it is, and it runs on Android Marshmallow. Front camera is 2 megapixel, and if we talk about processor, processor comes with quad-core MediaTek MT6735, which is 64-bit architecture, and the phone supports fingerprint sensor with which company claims that it can unlock in 0.2 seconds and store up to 10 fingerprints. And guys, the deals not end here. The company is also making an U tag, a Bluetooth U tag, which help your keep your belongings safe. And phone comes in two colors, which is rose gold and gold. And if we talk about RAM, the phone is powered with 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of internal storage, which supports HD card up to 32 gigabytes. And it is a dual SIM phone, which has 3.5 jack. Yeah, that thing is coming to an extinction, but this phone has. And if we talk about battery, the phone comes with 2000 mAh battery, so it is pretty basic. Yeah, you can say that, and it can give you 4 to 5 hours screen on time, depending on how the performance is. And guys, here is an quick overview of specs of this phone. And guys, the phone is right now is being made at Shenzhen, China, and the company is planning to set up an manufacturing plant which assembles the phone in India only. So it would be pretty great, and brings up many employment opportunities for many people. And the CEO of uh, OKWU, Anshuman Atul, has said this on the launch event, so you can read that this thing. And article which uh, from which I have got this news is from Phone Arena, and I'll give the link in the description. So guys, it would be a great phone, and let's see how it goes. And some insider news from my channel, that I was in the contact of this company from the time they were preparing their phone. And not only this, they are providing many other phones, so I'll try to get on hands on this phone too if I got one. So stay tuned to my channel, and that's it for now guys. So let me end this video right. So guys, that's it for now, and do let me know in the comment section below your opinion and what do you want from the channel in next video or something. So, and do hit the like button, it would be an amazing for me and keep me going. So guys, so like and share and subscribe to my channel, and till then, bye bye, take care, and see ya.